Hi friends, I'm Melissa from Be Kindergarten Ready. Today we've got a very special book to read. I really do hope you like it. Before we dive into our book, preschool parents and guardians, I've got a free gift for you. If you'd like to find out more on how you can help get your child ready for kindergarten, click the link in the description below to claim your checklist that provides a list of skills your child needs to know for school. Now, if you have this book at home, be sure to go get it and follow along with me.
I Need a New Butt is written by Dawn McMillan and illustrated by Ross Kinnaird. I need a new butt. Mine's got a crack. I can see in the mirror a crack at the back. Did I do it on the slide? Or on the banister inside? Or when I jumped my BMX? Or with the fart that happened next? Of course, the fart! That's what blew my butt apart. Split the thing clean in two. Now I wonder what to do. I need a new one. A green one or a blue one. A fat one or a thin one. A wood one or a tin one. Why not an arty farty butt? One not to be forgotten with watercolors on top and a mural on the bottom. Or yellow spotted, purple dotted, a butt with color, a butt with flair, a butt as bright as I dare to wear, a butt as bright as Dad's underwear. Or maybe an alien's butt made from a metal like titanium, fireproof, bulletproof, bomb-proof. I'd like a butt that's safety rated, the right butt, a knight's butt, a butt that's armor-plated. What about a bumper butt made of chrome? Why not, I say, from a 1960s sport coupe, one made in the USA. With accessories to complement, like strips of silver smoothly bent, a set of lights left and right for backing round in the night. With a bumper butt, I won't be scared because bumper cracks can be repaired. But a bumper butt is huge. A bumper butt weighs a ton. I've changed my mind. I want a lighter one. A rocket butt? All fire and thrust. A robo butt? Now that butt's a must. No, I think it's all too late. This cracked butt is my fate. I'm here on my own in this cracked butt zone. No one to care, no one to share. Wait, what's that I hear? This is outrageous! Are butt cracks contagious? Dad, your butt crack is showing. And Dad, there's no way of knowing just how far it's going. Oh no, he lost his butt. I think he needs a new one.
And that's our book, friends. I hope you loved it as much as I did. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a fabulous day. Bye!